So as I have explained earlier, there might be a case in which a user is coming to the user profile activity right after completing the registration. So in that case, we have to let the user know that they are supposed to verify their email ID, or the next time they will not be able to log in. So inside the user profile activity and in the onCreate method, right before calling the show user profile method, we can call one more method if the email of the user is verified or not. So I will just use one method here. And I will pass the Firebase user variable here also. And then I will create this method. Alright. Then within this method, I will just check if the Firebase user is verified or not. If the user is not verified, then I will use alert dialog box, and for that also we can just use one method, show alert dialog, and then create the method. And as we have created alert box before also in the login activity, so we can just open the login activity and copy the codes from there. Just copy everything which is inside show alert dialog, and then we can just paste them in user profile activity within the same method. Let me write some comments to make it more readable. And here I think we just need to change the message. And then in the alert dialog.builder, we need to change the context. Alright. Let's run the app now. Since my email ID is already verified, so I am not getting any alert box, and anyways this alert box will be displayed only when we do a fresh registration and not otherwise. So we will see that later. Now we need to start with the action bar menu. In the action bar menu, we are going to keep options for different activities like change your password, edit your profile, or update your profile, or upload picture to the Firebase, those kind of activities.